79 Bike Falcon M. The 79 Bike Falcon M is an electric dirt bike that stands out for its power and affordability. Priced at $4,500, it offers features that are hard to beat in this price range. The Falcon M is equipped with a strong 8 kW IP67 rated motor, which allows it to reach a top speed of 85 km per hour. And if you like quick acceleration, you'll love how fast this bike goes from 0 to 50 km per hour in just 2.8 seconds. For longer rides, the 72 volts 35 Ah battery provides an impressive range of up to 120 km. That means you can enjoy extended off-road adventures without worrying about frequent charging. The aluminum alloy frame ensures durability while keeping the weight light. At only 130 pounds, the bike is easy to handle, making it great for those tricky terrains. When it comes to control, the front and rear hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. Paired with MNT adjustable shocks, you can expect a smooth and stable ride even on rough paths. The PWM-controlled LED ring adds a modern touch. It syncs with your acceleration, providing visual feedback as you ride. The lighting system is also app-controlled, giving you a personalized experience. With a seat height of 32.6 inches, the Falcon M is designed to offer comfort and agility. It's built to handle off-road action while keeping you in control. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or someone looking for an eco-friendly thrill ride, the 79 Bike Falcon M is ready to take you on an exciting journey. AllTRACK AT20HD. The AllTRACK AT20HD is a versatile vehicle built to tackle tough terrains. Compact at just 5 feet wide, it's perfect for navigating tight spaces where larger vehicles can't go. Its zero-radius turning capability makes it highly maneuverable, ensuring easy handling in even the most confined areas. The sturdy construction supports loads of up to 3,500 pounds, giving it the strength to handle heavy-duty tasks. Powering the AT20HD is a 74 horsepower HATS 4H50 Tier 4F turbo diesel engine, providing reliable performance in any condition. Its high-strength steel toboggan frame, heavy-duty tracks, and urethane-coated drive sprockets ensure durability and reduce the need for maintenance. The vehicle comes equipped with a heated cab for comfort, dual hydraulic joysticks for precise control, and optional add-ons like water tanks or firefighter gear. This makes the AT20HD ideal for a wide range of applications, including wildland firefighting, solar array maintenance, and more. If you're looking for a vehicle that can conquer challenging terrains and offer versatility, the AllTRACK AT20HD is designed to get the job done. Nucleus Farm, a lifesaver for post-nuclear survival. Imagine a farm that could save lives in a world after a nuclear disaster. That's exactly what the Nucleus Farm is designed for. Originally created to feed astronauts on long missions to Mars or moon bases, this system is also a game-changer for Earth in tough times. It features self-contained modules that grow plants and raise insects, providing a reliable food source. Even though it was made to support a crew of 4 for 3 years, it's perfect for survival shelters where you need extra food without storing massive amounts. The Nucleus Farm makes sure you can grow what you need, no matter the situation. Bead BD5. The Bead BD5 Micro, designed by Jim Bede, is a remarkable single-seat home-built aircraft that became famous in the 1970s. Its sleek, fighter-like design grabbed the attention of aviation enthusiasts, mainly because of its affordability. The BD5 featured a streamlined fuselage, retractable landing gear, and a unique V-tail. This design helped reduce drag and improve performance. One of its standout features was the modular wing design. Builders could choose between 2 options: a longer B wing for extended range or a shorter A wing designed for aerobatics. Despite selling over 5,000 kits, the BD5 project faced major challenges. Engine reliability issues meant that many of the kits were never completed. However, this didn't stop the BD5 from becoming a beloved aircraft among aviation enthusiasts, thanks to its innovative design and the dream of owning a personal jet-like plane. Today, the Bead BD5 remains an iconic piece of aviation history. Carbon Cub EX3. The Carbon Cub EX3 is a remarkable upgrade in the Carbon Cub series. This lightweight bushplane is perfect for pilots looking for power and versatility. One of its key features is the new CC363i fuel-injected engine. This engine, combined with a constant speed propeller, gives the X3 20% more thrust than previous models. This extra power translates into impressive takeoff and climb performance. The X3 isn't just powerful, it's also fast. With a top speed of 145 miles per hour, it's one of the quickest bushplanes on the market. Plus, it can handle up to 2,000 pounds of gross weight, making it highly capable for carrying cargo or passengers. To maintain performance, the low-drag cooling system keeps the engine running efficiently. This system features louvered vents and carbon baffles for effective temperature management during long flights. Designed as an experimental kit aircraft, the Carbon Cub EX3 blends rugged stowage, short takeoff and landing capabilities with advanced technology. Whether you're exploring remote locations or tackling challenging terrain, this plane offers an unmatched experience for adventure pilots who demand precision and speed. Leaperkim Sherman L. Meet the Leaprocom Sherman L, a high-performance electric unicycle priced at $4,480. This unicycle is designed for riders who crave power and long-range capability. Building on the success of the Lynx, the Sherman L offers a 50% increase in capacity. This means longer rides without frequent recharging, perfect for long-distance adventures. The heart of the Sherman L is its powerful 3,200-watt motor, which peaks at an impressive 8 kilowatts. This motor delivers exceptional torque and speed, making it ideal for challenging terrains. Weighing in at only 14.5 pounds more than the Lynx, the Sherman L remains lightweight and agile. It features a robust 4,000 watt-hour Samsung 50S battery pack. The battery can charge rapidly at 20 amps, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time riding. Durability is a highlight of this unicycle. Its magnesium alloy construction reduces weight, shedding 20 pounds compared to other models with similar battery capacity. This makes the Sherman L not only strong but also easy to handle. The unicycle is equipped with the proven Lynx controller. It features 36 by 200 volt 140 amp MOSFETs, supporting up to 840 amps for superior performance. This ensures a responsive and reliable ride every time. Riding comfort is further enhanced with 90 mm of suspension travel. The Sherman L uses customizable fastest modules with 3 different spring weights. Concept 1865. Step into the past, ride into the future. Let's take a step back in time and revisit a symbol of innovation, the iconic penny farthing bicycle. Imagine a giant front wheel leading the way. This was cycling in the 1870s, marking the start of a new era in transportation. Fast forward to today, and the concept 1865 breathes new life into this timeless design. It still captures the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. But now, it's not just a relic of history. It's a bridge between past and future. Crafted by skilled artisans, this modern version blends tradition with cutting-edge materials. Think carbon fiber, lightweight foam, and durable plastics. All these come together seamlessly to create a bike that's both sleek and sturdy. But here's where it gets exciting. This isn't just for show. The concept 1865 is powered by electricity. A battery is cleverly hidden in the seat for easy access, adding a layer of modern convenience to this classic design. And there's more. LED lights add a stylish touch, giving this nostalgic bike a modern flair. These finishing details make it stand out even more. The prototype is ready, standing as a true testament to an era of creativity and passion. It's not just a bicycle, it's a ride through time, blending the best of both worlds, history and innovation. Lilium Jet. The Lilium Jet is a revolutionary e-VTOL aircraft designed for urban air mobility. This sleek, all-electric aircraft is a glimpse into the future of sustainable transportation. The jet features a carbon fiber composite fuselage, making it lightweight and strong. It can carry 1 pilot and up to 6 passengers. This makes it a perfect fit for short-distance air travel within cities. With a cruise speed of up to 155 miles per hour and a range of around 155 miles, it covers a lot of ground, or air, quickly. This speed and range make it ideal for city commutes or regional travel. One of the standout features of the Lilium Jet is its quiet operation. Traditional helicopters can be quite loud, but the Lilium Jet is designed to be 6 to 7 times quieter during takeoff. This is thanks to its 36 electric vectored thrust fans, which help reduce noise significantly. The aircraft's canard wings aren't just for show, they enhance its aerodynamic efficiency, allowing it to fly smoother and more efficiently. This helps conserve energy while still providing a fast, comfortable ride. Inside, the jet offers larger windows, giving passengers a chance to enjoy stunning views while flying. Whether you're crossing a city skyline or traveling to a nearby region, the experience is both scenic and quiet. Safety is at the heart of the Lilium Jet's design. Its distributed electric propulsion system provides redundancy, meaning multiple engines work together for enhanced reliability. If one engine faces an issue, others can compensate, keeping the jet in the air safely. The Lilium Jet represents a major leap forward in urban transportation. With its sleek design, quiet operation, and focus on safety, it's paving the way for a future of efficient and sustainable air travel. Sun21 Catamaran, the future of eco-friendly boating. The Sun21 Catamaran is a solar-powered boat that uses the sun's energy to glide across the water. Capable of reaching speeds up to 8 knots, this eco-friendly vessel can sail as long as the sun shines, thanks to its solar panels. With a price tag of around $250,000, the Sun21 offers a sustainable and forward-thinking way to navigate water bodies. By harnessing solar power, this boat significantly reduces the need for fossil fuels, helping to lower its environmental impact. It's an ideal choice for eco-conscious boaters who want to enjoy the water while promoting greener practices. Beyond just being a boat, the Sun21 Catamaran is a showcase of innovation in renewable energy within the maritime industry, paving the way for more sustainable water transportation. RIVID Outset, the future of electric scramblers. The RIVID Outset is an electric scrambler that brings a fresh look to the electric bike scene. Priced at $5,995, it's built on the popular Anthem platform, combining the best of urban and off-road riding. The design focuses on agility and versatility. You get an upright riding position for better comfort and control, while the narrower seat and taller handlebars make it perfect for various terrains. Another standout feature is its adjustable foot pegs. This gives you the flexibility to adjust your riding style based on the road ahead. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling rough trails, the RIVID Outset is designed to handle it all. Its suspension system is another impressive aspect. With a 6.5-inch travel inverted fork in the front and a 5.2-inch travel monoshock in the rear, the bike offers a smooth, cushioned ride even on uneven surfaces. Tazzari Zeromax Cubo. The Tazzari Zeromax Cubo is the eco-friendly electric vehicle designed for urban professionals and businesses. It's perfect for city deliveries, industrial logistics, and green space maintenance. Let's explore how this compact electric workhorse can revolutionize sustainable urban operations. The Zeromax Cubo offers 3 different variants to suit your specific needs. You can choose between the van, the pickup, or the naked version, making it adaptable for diverse professional requirements. Whether you're transporting goods, tools, or equipment, there's a variant ready to meet your demands. At the heart of the Zeromax Cubo is an 11.5 kilowatt motor paired with a durable lithium LFP battery. This battery is designed to last, supporting up to 3,000 charging cycles, so you can rely on it for the long haul. And with a range of up to 312 kilometers on a single charge, it ensures you stay on the road longer without needing constant recharging. The vehicle comes with 2 driving modes, allowing you to optimize your driving experience depending on your load or energy-saving needs. Plus, its high load capacity makes it an efficient choice for carrying heavy cargo while maintaining smooth performance. Tera Glide, a revolutionary electric recumbent tricycle. The Tera Glide is an innovative electric recumbent tricycle designed by AJ Protec, offering a fresh way to enjoy cycling. Its steer-by-wire technology makes handling smooth and effortless, while the pedal generator allows you to get exercise without putting in a lot of physical effort. Completely electric, The Tera Glide ensures a quiet, efficient, and comfortable ride, making it perfect for both leisurely outings and more active adventures. What makes the Tera Glide stand out is its commitment to sustainability. By running on clean energy, it helps reduce your carbon footprint while still offering a fun and engaging ride. Designed with outdoor enthusiasts in mind, it combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it ideal for riders of all skill levels. Whether you're new to cycling or a seasoned rider, the Tera Glide is set to change the way we think about biking, offering a sustainable, practical, and enjoyable alternative for everyone.